Hi friends, so today we're going to be cooking chicken livers. I've got the rainbow chicken livers that I'm going to be using, and then I've got salt. You can use any kind of salt. This is the one that I have. And then I've got some mild chutney, so I'm going to be using that as well while cooking. You can use fresh garlic, or you can use the one that is in a can, but I'm going to be using garlic flakes. And then I've also got some raja, and I have chicken cube, and I've got 1 onion as well as pepper. So I'm gonna chop half a pepper. I don't want to use all of it, and then I'm gonna chop the whole onion. So depending on how many people you want to feed, I just want a little bit of pepper, not all of it. So let's get to it.